Welcome back. We're continuing the news. The Cornwall Bar Association is calling for cases in the parish courts to be heard virtually as COVID cases forced the closure of 2 parish courts in Western Jamaica. President of the association, Michael Hemmings, said it is unfair for the authorities to stand aside and watch while persons who should be granted bail remain behind bars. Kelisha Williams explains.
Wednesday is a court day, but no proceedings are in session at the Montego Bay Parish Court in St. James. It's a similar situation at the Westmoreland Parish Court. The facilities were ordered closed after several members of staff tested positive for COVID-19. But while the closure is good for public health and safety, it's bad news for persons behind bars.
There are clients who had matters set for court. Especially clients who had matters set for bail application that are unable to go to court now, so they are in custody, and we're awaiting directives as to when the courts will reopen.
But when we visited the St. James Parish Court, for instance, we saw this notice which showed that persons who had matters scheduled for August 11 would have to wait at least 2 weeks. Michael Hemmings is an attorney and president of the Cornwall Bar Association.
The clients that are in the lockup, what we have to do is visit them and inform them of the position and let them know. Certainly, it is not a good feeling. Persons, even when you explain to them what is happening, tend not to understand what is happening, so you have to give them reassurance that, listen, in short order your matter will be called up, in short order you will go to court.
Mr. Hemmings believes it is unacceptable that proceedings are at a standstill while the parish courts are closed. He explained that this is unfair to the clients and will add to a backlog in the court system. To resolve this problem, a call for court sessions to be held virtually,
so that we can treat with the matters from the confines of our offices, and the judge can be somewhere that is sterile, somewhere that is safe, and hear the matters. The High Court, the Western Regional Gun Court, the Circuit Court, they sit via Zoom at times. Even when we are physically present in court, persons can appear via Zoom. And I think that is where we now need to go when we are treating with matters in the parish court.
However, the court administration had indicated that the closure of the 2 courts would not cause any major disruption in the system. It said August is considered the legal vacation, so the court list would not be heavy. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.